You might think that buying a larger 36-inch induction range will provide you with a better cooktop and a much larger oven. While this is partly true, there are problems you need to know before making a purchase. In this video, you will learn all about the best 36-inch induction ranges, their pros, some cons that nobody else seems to be talking about. Let's get started. Bosch does not manufacture this 36-inch range. The HIS 8655 is made for them by another company, Smeg, based in Italy. You will love the commercial style of every Italian range, but their durability can sometimes be an issue. Make sure there is service available before you buy. The unit has 5 burners, one at 3,000 watts, one at 2,300 watts, 2 at 1,850, and one at 1,400 watts. The 3,000 watt burner can boost up to 5,500. You can also bridge the burners on the left side for larger pans or griddles. Still, it's not as powerful as the other induction ranges. The 36 oven capacity is only 3.7 cubic feet. For perspective, the average 30-inch stove has a capacity of 5.5 cubic feet, so this has less capacity than a smaller range. It also doesn't have Bosch's HomeConnect Wi-Fi system like its other appliances. Then again, it isn't a Bosch appliance. You have 3 Fisher Paykel Series 9 36-inch induction range styles available. To buy one is confusing. The classic and contemporary styles are similarly priced, have color options and a warming drawer, yet are less expensive than the Pro, which features a digital clock, different styling, and a few more cooking modes. Let's take a look at Fisher Paykel's best features. Their output and configuration of burners are excellent, with a power burner at 5,500 watts on boost mode. The average watts on most induction cooktops and ranges is about 3,700, as you will find out. With a 5,500 watt power burner, Fisher Paykel's induction range is the most powerful on this list and good for big pots of spaghetti or lobster. The side burners are 3,700 watts and can connect to form a larger burner, making them suitable for bigger pans or griddles, so it is a flexible top. Fisher & Paykel offers 9 oven modes, allowing you to cook however you want. Their Aero mode combines the outer top and bottom elements with 2 fans to cook faster and more evenly. You can buy the classics in colors including red, white, black, or stainless steel. Oddly enough, the contemporary and classic induction ranges include a warming drawer, while the Pro series does not. The Pro features a more commercial look, 15 cooking modes, a better touchscreen clock and timing system, and smart functionality. However, the oven capacity is only 4.8 to 4.9 cubic feet for all 3 styles. Again, smaller than other 30-inch ranges. The range maintains the classic Viking look with all knobs and no electronic controls. The range is available in 19 different colors. The cooktop features 6 burners ranging from 2,300 to 3,700 watts. The 2 burners on the right side can be bridged for griddle cooking. The oven is better with a capacity of 5.6 cubic feet and a large 8.5-inch convection fan. Despite the larger oven, there is only 1 convection fan. The range lacks electronic controls, meaning there is no built-in timer or Wi-Fi connectivity. Burner power is capped at 3,700 watts maximum, so it's a standard range in tons of colors at a higher price. We don't sell Viking, but it's a decent option if you want a pro-looking range in a color. We will look at other ranges with color options later in this video. The Thermador Pro Harmony PRI 36 LBHU range has the most flexible cooktop in the industry. You can do almost anything, make that more than anything with Thermador Liberty induction technology. You can cook with up to 5 separate pots, and the elements on either side can be bridged to accommodate larger pans. You can also use both sides as a griddle in teppanyaki mode. The heat shift mode allows you to effortlessly glide your pan back and forth, with the burners automatically adjusting the temperature to match your movements. It doesn't get any easier than this. The move mode allows you to transfer your settings from one burner to another simply by moving the pan. Additionally, features include a TFT clock for functionality, smart features through the HomeConnect app, and recipe tie-ins. The oven capacity is 4.9 cubic feet, comparable to average 36-inch ranges. Thermador's oven has only 1 convection fan, not 2, and doesn't have automatic programming like a Wolf, which you will see later in this video. Cornue ranges are the best looking appliances in the world. You can choose 12 stock colors along with 6 options for hardware, or you can also now choose a custom color so your kitchen can be truly unique. So if you want a royal blue range with a chrome or brass trim, Cornue is a good option. The top has standard power with a 3700 watt center burner and 3 additional 3000 watt burners, in addition to a 2200 watt burner. It's a beautiful range with good oven functionality. The oven is smaller at 3.81 cubic feet and the price starts at $12,075 plus shipping, and you have no functionality like our next model. This range features 5 burners with the 2 outside burners on either side capable of being bridged for larger cookware. It also includes a new LCD touchscreen for the cooktop instead of the basic controls. The burner configuration is standard, offering one 3700 watt burner, 2 3000 watt, and 2 2100 watt burners. The Wolf is 3 inches wider and ½ inch deeper than rival Thermador and is one of the largest at 6.3 cubic feet. Their dual Vertiflow convection is the best, with twin fans and extended elements delivering the most even heat for the best baking compared to the single convection of most other ovens. Wolf is also the most intuitive with their Wolf Gourmet. You input the food and how you want it cooked, the oven calculates time, temperature, and even the best rack position. The oven, and especially the Gourmet feature, is the best on the list, but the cooktop is somewhat standard. If you combine this oven with the Thermador top, it would be pretty compelling. For that, we'll have to wait for the new SKS and Miele due out later this year and in 2026. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below. If you want to know more about the best 30-inch induction ranges, click this video, and thanks for watching.